welcome and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. In case it's your first time coming across this channel, my name is Ruth Wambugu. Thank you so much for being here and for the continued support that you continue to show me. For returning subscriber, you guys are the OG and I love you. God bless you and continue thriving in whatever you do. So on today's video, I'm diving into the kitchen. It's a spend a day with me and I'm going to be showing you how I make my mutton fry. This is the perfect mutton fry and you will love this recipe because I do it and I always enjoy eating my meat this way. So if this is something for you and if you want to dive into it like me, then grab your coffee, grab your drink, and let's jump right into the video. So we are doing a very fun recipe and I'm going to be making mutton. I have chopped my meat into bite pieces. On this side I have my other ingredients which I will introduce to you quickly. So here I have 2 big onions, I have peppers just to give them a twist. If you are serving this to children, please skip on the chilies. I have 3 large tomatoes. On my other spices that I'm going to spice my meat with, I have soy sauce, I have Maggi cubes, I have Knorr, 1 piece remaining, I have black pepper, paprika over there, and I have cayenne and also bay leaves, and last but not the least I have my salt over there. So those are all the ingredients that I'm going to use. Let's get right into the video. Mutton stew, I'm serving them with chapatis and yep. time to dig in and I can't wait. So here comes the ultimate taste test, and yeah, let's see. That is so good. It's so soft. The flavors are so good, and yeah, it's such a lovely dish and you're going to love it. Let me know if you try it out, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. A sink over there, we have the toilet, tissue holder, towel holders, the window over there, and we have the shower place over here. Yeah, it's pretty spacious. That's the bathroom, pretty spacious. We have another sink and a washroom over there. And coming to this direction, we have a small kitchen over here. Storage. It's the kitchen area. The kitchen is what I don't like about this house, and then this is the laundry area as well. That's window, the socket. So yeah, that's the bedroom. So this is the second version of the room. That's the entrance. This is the window. It's pretty spacious. As you can see, pretty spacious. Sockets over there. And yeah, so going this direction, we have the sink over here, we have a mirror, we have a bathroom and a toilet. Is it? No, this is just a toilet. This is just a toilet and a hand wash sink. And coming to this direction, this is a wardrobe, and this is one of the bedrooms, sockets, and it's pretty big. Here we have some extra storage as well. I love how they have utilized the corners and putting the drawers over here. Just pretty cool. So let's look at this other version. Over here. That's how it looks. Pretty big with two windows, so it's well lit. Have the sockets there, and we have the switch over here, and we have so going this direction, we have a shop there. We have a bathroom. there with a mirror. Hello. And a window. We also have this towel rope, a top, and some holder and tissue holder over there. That's the toilet. And coming this direction, we have one bedroom. Oh, the closest is a joke. Oh my gosh. And a mirror. We have some storage over there, and this is the sink with its countertop, and we have more storage over there. Place for the cooker, and that space as well. So down here it's empty, just like this. So on this side we have the cleaning area, and until next time, take care of yourselves and bye bye.